The question says solve for x in this exponential equation. So how do you find x? Solution. So for 5 raised to power x, okay, times 5 raised to power x plus 1 equals 25. Okay, so we have the same base, we are multiplying the same base. So one of the law of indices, multiplying the same base, okay. So what do? We pick out 1. So we add up the exponent, so we have n plus n. So let us apply it here. We have this as 5 to the power x, okay, plus x plus 1, okay, equals, so we write 25 in index form, so we have it as 5 to the power 2. So here we have this as 5, for x plus x is 2x, okay, plus 1 equals 5 to the power 2. Since we have the same base, okay, so let's equate the exponents. So we have this as 2x plus 1 equals 2. So what do from here? We subtract 1 from both sides. So we have 2x plus 1 minus 1, okay, equals 2 minus 1. So this is out. So we have this as 2x equals 1. So to get the value of x, we divide both sides by 2. So when we do that, we have x to be 1 over 2. Thank you very much.